Hello, in my previous video I introduced the new Project Center functionality, which calculates the project center automatically. However, in some situations you might want to set the project center yourself. In this video I will explain how to do it. In order to switch from automatic to manual mode, navigate to the map settings page. There, select the manual mode and save the settings. Go back to the geography page, where a new user interface will show up on the map. To choose the new center, click the spot on the map where you want to have it. Make sure you apply the changes by clicking the Save button. The manual mode allows setting the project center independently of the site locations, which might be important if you have widespread sites or just want to set the project headquarters as the project center. To switch back to the automatic mode, just go back to the map settings page and select automatic. Thank you for watching.